welcome back to my shop. Now in my last video I showed you how I made this nice big massive workbench that I'm enjoying using in my shop. That was a rough build. I've done a few improvements since then. Like I mentioned before, I put some Danish oil on the top surface and also on the shelf. And I also did a few other improvements. I installed dog holes in the surface of the workbench, and then down on the floor down here I installed casters, so now I can actually pick up my workbench and move it around my shop very easily. Okay, as you can see, I've got all 8 casters picked up, all 4 legs are picked up. So let's see how easy this rolls around now. Wow, this rolls around incredibly easy. Much more easy than what I expected. Very nice. Barely got the room to turn around, but I think I can. Let's do it just for the heck of it. Just because we can. Bandsaw there. Okay, that's a 180 right there. Turn to 180 degrees. Let's go with 360. And also, depending on the project I'm doing, I want the flexibility to be able to move this different locations of my shop. You know, just in case I need a little more floor space, I can push it that way. Or if I need it closer to a counter on another workbench in my shop, I can move it wherever it has to go. So it gives me a lot of flexibility. I'm really happy about that, really excited about that. And like I said, the main thing was the dog holes for me. Now I used a drilling jig from Miles Craft in order to do that. And it worked out great, 90 degrees, worked out perfectly. You know, I got 3/4 inch dog holes in my work surface now. I have 25 holes on this work surface, and I put 1 in each leg also. Here's one of the hold downs I'm going to be using. So if I want to, I can always just put this right in the leg, and then I can, you know, put it right in there and hold something on the side if I want to. Not sure if I will very often or not. It's mainly, of course, for the tabletop. Put it in there, have a nice hold down, hold my work and so forth. And yeah, I'm excited about that. It's gonna come in really handy. I've used it already, it works great. I bought some nice hold down accessories from Veritas. I got like the Wonder Pups and their hold downs. I also have a longer one. This is called the Veritas Wonder Dog because it's bigger. So you got the dog, which has a longer shank on it. I got the pup, which has a shorter shank on it. And these hold downs themselves, which I really like, because they have this little screw thing to hold it down, so you don't have to hit it with a hammer. And then also, I just have some basic bench dog. I'm not sure what to call these, but these just go in the holes. Go in the holes so you can press against them. So basically, those are the main improvements I've made so far. So, yeah, I hope this gives you a little bit of ideas for some wood benches, some workbenches in your shop, and what you can do and, you know, make something that's functional but still attractive in your shop too is kind of my goal. And I think I achieved that. At least I hope I achieved that. So I guess that's all for this video for today. So until next time, have a great day. See you later.